Well, I'm hopeful by the fact that the board has chosen someone from within the organization, that they have said the culture is paramount for us to go forward. And so I believe I'm a product of that culture, and it's something that I see us sustaining. And what does that mean? I think it's an openness, it's effort to communicate, it's a transparency with decision making. I think it's a people can believe that we are going to keep them informed, provide decisions that are people may not always agree with the decisions that are being made, but it won't be because they don't understand what's going on. And I think that's critical. I think the other part that's inherent in this culture is that, as evidenced by Bill or myself, people stay here a long time. And I think people stay at a place a long time because it feels like home. And people feel valued. And if we feel valued in our work, and then we tend to stay where we are. So I would hope that we can hold on to that as well. First and foremost, I think it's important for everybody to understand that I'm a huge fan of Bill Corley's. I've been able to work with Bill, watch him, learn from him for almost my entire career here as a direct report. I think that Bill's passion for this organization, his commitment to community, is something that is very apparent in the way in which he leads. And I think that's the core. That core needs to be sustained. That that I have a love for this organization. I've literally grown up here. I've spent half my life working for this organization, and I say that proudly. So that as a foundation says, hey, we both have a same passion for the Community Health Network. From a leadership philosophy standpoint, I'm a people person, which is probably not common for somebody whose training is in accounting. But I want to know people. I want to understand them. I want to truly understand what their issues are, how we can work together to find solutions. So I think people will find me open, approachable, and somebody who really takes an interest in them and this organization. Community's greatest opportunities are, I think, twofold. One, it has a phenomenal group of people and leaders, and our opportunities are to use that to our advantage as we compete within this market, as well as continue to provide quality health care. I think that's an advantage. The second advantage we have that I think is well paramount is our relationship with physicians, and finding ways in which we can partner with one another, which we can work towards a common goal. I think we have years of evidence that support the fact that we can distinguish ourselves as a physician-friendly, physician-driven organization. So I think those are our opportunities. The challenges, I think many of the challenges are the uncertainty within the external market. And we have a number of things happening right now, whether those be in Washington or Wall Street or other industry within Indiana that we don't control. And so we're reacting to what's going on. I think that uncertainty is something that we've got to kind of mind our way through, at the same time making sure that we're guiding our ship as it needs to be guided. On a personal note, I'm happily married to the love of my life for 24 and a half years now. My wife's name is Kathy, and we're both longtime residents of Noblesville, Indiana. Graduated from Noblesville High School. We still live there, as do both sets of our parents, so that is home, and both have siblings and nieces and nephews, so Noblesville is home to us. We're the proud parents of four boys, and they are Brandon, who just graduated from college. He's 22. Dusty, who is 20 and he's still in college. Jake, who is 12 in 6th grade, and Nick, who is the youngest and is 10 years old in 4th grade. We have one family, we just have a big gap between number 2 and number 3. And my time away from work is spending time with my family. We're very active in sports, have been for many, many years. I've coached numerous ball teams. I love doing that. I love also, I'm an avid golfer. So is my wife. And so we enjoy playing golf together. We travel as a family. It's nice to spend time with one another.